Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about how to cancel your snuff.io subscription or any add-ons. So how you can cancel, okay? So first of all you need to visit on the official website and you need to log in into your account, okay? And once you logged in into your account, you will see this kind of window and you need to click on your profile icon and you need to visit on accounts area, okay? And you can see there is an option like billing. You need to tap on this option like billing, and once you are on this page you should turn off this button like auto renewal. You should these buttons like toggle, you should turn off this toggle, and now your auto renewal is off, and you can also downgrade or upgrade your subscription in this area, okay? So this is the method by which you can easily cancel your snuff.io subscription. Now if you have any other issues, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.